GI tagged Karbi Anglong ginger, of which state has been recently exported to London for the first time? Correct answer is Assam. India's first riverine lighthouses are being constructed on which river? Correct answer is Brahmaputra. Which state government has launched Project Ganga to provide high-speed broadband connectivity? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which international organization conducts the Cold Response Military Exercise 2026? Correct answer is NATO. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of GAIL in March 2026? Correct answer is Deepak Gupta. Tamil Nadu's first dark sky park has been established at which place? Correct answer is Kolli Hills. Where was India's first semiconductor assembly, test and packaging facility inaugurated? Correct answer is Gujarat. The Union Cabinet has approved the extension of Jal Jeevan Mission until which year? Correct answer is 2028. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Derma company? Correct answer is Sania Mirza. What is India's rank in the recently released World Happiness Report 2026? Correct answer is 116th. Who has recently become India's 94th Grandmaster and the first Grandmaster from the North-East region? Correct answer is Mayank Chakrabarti. Balendra Shah has been appointed as the 47th Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is Nepal. Kusunpur has been declared as the first smart village of which state? Correct answer is Orissa. According to recent data, which state became India's top textile exporting state in 2024-25? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which film won the Best Picture award at the 98th Academy Awards, Oscars 2026? Correct answer is One Battle After Another. Which Indian state has become the second to pass the Uniform Civil Code Bill in March 2026? Correct answer is Gujarat. Which country recently signed an agreement to procure BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles from India? Correct answer is Indonesia. Which team won the 10th edition of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is India. On which date is International Women's Day 2026 celebrated? Correct answer is the 8th of March. Which team won the overall championship at the 6th Khelo India Winter Games 2026? Correct answer is Indian Army. Which country has launched the world's first sovereign financial cloud services infrastructure? Correct answer is United Arab Emirates. India won the ICC T20 World Cup 2026 title by defeating which country in the final? Correct answer is New Zealand. Who has been selected for the 60th Jnanpith Award for the year 2025? Correct answer is R. Varamuttu, who became the first declared foreigner in Assam to receive Indian citizenship under the Citizenship Amendment Act. Correct answer is Deepali Das, who has been recently awarded the Stockholm Water Prize 2026. Correct answer is Kavi Madani. In March 2026, which long-serving Chief Minister of Bihar resigned from his post to enter the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is Nitish Kumar. India and which country launched a 20 million euros initiative to support India's National Adaptation Plan? Correct answer is Germany. Which village in Maharashtra's Ahilyanagar district officially declared itself a caste-free village? Correct answer is Soundala. Which team won their maiden Ranji Trophy title in the 2025-26 season? Correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. According to the 2026 SIPRI report, what is India's rank in global arms imports? Correct answer is second.